The noise it no, it's alright actually. Hello. Hello, Public Enemy Customs. No, we don't sell takeaway. Sorry. What's going on out here? Hey, Project Mustang. How you doing, babes?
The question is, will it start?
Ooh, that is the question. What's happened there?
It's just broken off with edge, I think. Or the mouse has chewed it.
Not Hero though. Not Hero. Hero wasn't around. It might be one of his friends or cousins or something.
All the heater pipes have been chewed. It's tea leaks.
Oh my god, what's
These
that?
have been chewed. That's been chewed. Oh my god. I don't know what that is.
Obviously a nice feast for some mice, eh?
We don't need that bit.
No, bye.
It's full of rat shit.
Where?
Right here, look.
What is that shit?
That's shit.
This is a Public Enemy Customs exclusive, guys.
It's full of rat
Some
shit.
rat shit in the
Where's
Mustang.
There you go.
No, I don't know what any of this is in here. You've got to sort it out. I mean, for someone who's frightened of spiders, I mean, I've never actually really looked inside here before. Oh look, it's actually a nice red. The interior. Oh my days. Yeah, looking inside, it's actually
There's no floor.
there is no floor. But it's actually quite a nice colour red. The inside.
50 years ago.
I'm trying to like think of nice things to say about it. Does it even work?
This is actually the first time I've ever sucked rat shit from an engine. And the vacuum cleaner, that's big for cappers.
Oh, the cat piss and the rat shit.
This is disgusting.
Shh, don't listen to him. So it'll be fine. I'm just stood around watching Dom Hoover, aren't I? I should probably do that. Yeah.
This is your project, you'll be doing it. Let's swap. Give me.
I don't want to. It just slipped over. I don't want to suck anything up that I'm not supposed to, you see. Get in there.
What's that? I don't know what this is. Is this? Oh no.
Oh no, what?
Is that a rat?
What? Oh no, I'm scared.
Oh god, what is it? Give me the vacuum cleaner.
No! Oh my god!
What the hell has Mason bought? What's that? That's some kind of termite mound. The fuck is that? Where the fuck has this car come from? Richmond. Nice. That's some weird shit. I don't like this car anymore. I think if you just want to get the stuff around here, nothing goes inside.
Did you see something fly up? Fuck! How much can we suck up? Everything. How do we know when it's done? I think there's just shit on shit in here.
Let's empty the car and see what we've got.
I'm not complaining though, I mean, it's a Mustang, isn't it?
It's for you.
What is it?
That's the seat pads and that. That's all the good stuff, that can go over there. That was the rear window, I guess.
Yeah?
Yep.
This once said Mustang on the back.
So bad, isn't it?
It's just been left to ruin. Bin.
I think this is a bit that we're lacking in the car.
The floor?
I think this is the floor, yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah, go there.
What's that?
Car parts. Pony parts.
Yay! Something good in there.
Doors.
Is it heavy or
Yeah, a little bit.
do you want a hand? I mean, the GoPro is much more important.
That's good. Really good.
Yeah? Okay. Well done, insect car.
Shit, man. Through the fucking yeah, I don't think that's meant to happen.
Oh my days! I got this.
Where's the floor gone?
I can't breathe. Oh god.
Yo, this is a piece of shit.
Yeah. Well, we knew that. That's why they gave it to me.
That's alright.
Can't believe Dom fell through the floor. Well, I can actually, because there isn't much of a floor. Bit of a hole.
That's not a bad zone, though, is it? Right, no. Oh, Jesus.
So
Let's go for a ride.
how did
I don't know if I dare sit in it.
No, don't sit in it! What's that?
Oh, I'm probably going to get fleas.
No, please don't. Why don't we get cat piss in here first? Oh.
No.
Can you imagine?
No.
Dom found a carburettor in the shed, so he's gonna see if it works. I found that. So does the fuel go into that spout?
Mm-hmm.
So where those holes are at the moment, the little egg-shaped holes, that's where we were putting fuel. Does that go on there?
This goes over there.
Yeah.
I want to see, inside of here there's a diaphragm.
Mhm.
So every time you press the accelerator pedal, what it does, as you press the accelerator on, it pushes this valve down here,
Right.
which is actually a little pump, and it pumps fuel through and squirts it down there
To there.
into the engine. So I just want to see if this works.
Okay.
I'll put the fuel in.
Get them angles in, aren't they?
So I'm going to shine it down.
Whoa!
While I was throwing the shed.
Don't work. I heard it like go.
Yeah, it was literally trying to start. Okay.
Oh my god!
The timing's out because it's trying to like fire before it should.
Oh.
So that there should actually go to vacuum. It's not going to reach.
It's actually kind of mad because it really wanted to start just then. Actually might wee myself if it starts because I do need a wee.
Let's try that. So we've advanced the time a bit.
Oh my god!
We have put the vacuum advance on as well. Try it again. Just start. So I'll literally eat my socks.
Okay, I hope it does that.
Nice check. You put the battery terminal back on here.
Yeah.
Just tweak this stuff.
What's that do?
That tells it when to spark.
Come on, 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 come on!
So annoying. Because nobody needs a camera, obviously. You do actually need one.
Yeah, okay. He's got loads of crap in there anyway, there's like bugs, look.
I really do have a tin of easy start right now.
What's that?
Right, it starts everything.
How does it start anything?
It's just like crack to a crackhead.
To a car?
Yeah.
Crack to a car?
Like crack for a car.
Hmm.
You got a lighter?
Yeah.
Have you?
Don't stop setting fire to yourself.
I'm going to set fire to the car. Come on.
I'm scared.
Why is it not blowing up? Maybe that fuel's not actually fuel.
It's like Voldemort's booze supply, I think.
Is it? No, it's pissed in it.
It's well yellow.
Is it white?
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Tom. For sake.
There we go. Right.
Oh god.
At least when I was fuel works. Probably should have tried that first bit. Just filled the engine with shit.
Oh. Hang on, the last one was yellow.
Yeah, that's why I don't trust it.
And that is
I think someone's pissed in it.
clear.
You pissed in it, SJ?
No, I did not. I did.
There we go. Nice. Try to start it now.
Still on fire though. Crank that. Okay. It made a weird noise then. I can't believe it was so close. Mustang Sally. Oh my god, yes! Just for a minute. Why did it turn off again? Oh.
First time running?
Yes! She's stinky. Oh my god, come on! Battery's flat, did you say?
Yeah, the battery's flat. Hey, she
Yay!
It's not as much as a piece of shit as he thought now, is it?
Well,
It's not a piece of shit, but at least it's a running piece of shit.
yeah.
Just. Well, I'm not being funny, but it's running with a carb that's not bolted down, a funnel for a fuel tank, and 2 HT leads that have been mouse tubed. So
If we
once
sort
I
it
fix all
all
that
out,
shit, it's gonna run fine.
yes!
Yeah, she's gonna go. That's f***ing
Well, we did our mission. We got it running slightly, didn't we?
definitely possibly really running. Shoot on.
Happy.
Well done.
She ran. She ran. Tell you what though, light worked. Job well done for today. I guess we'll keep you updated on the buggy Mustang.